Today I'm going to show you how you can manage to translate your Qt6, in my case PySide6 application, and well, how to do so, how to manage this translation. Example will be kind of simple app. We're not going to build together this app, but I will show you the code and I will leave the link in description where you can check it out. So, yep. Well, let's start. First thing, of course, we should have our application, and we're going to create this file linguist.qrc, and here we will put specify all QM files we're gonna have. For example, in my case, I'm gonna have two translation. It's two version of translation. It would be Russian and English, so you can see it. And let's go. First, we need to compile this linguist file to our Python version. So how we gonna do this? I will write PySide6 rcc, and here we specify our linguist file, and output it will be our linguist file rc. Actually, you can name it how you want, but rc and Python. Let's click enter as we got an error. Okay, what we have here? So cannot find file example run qm. Oh, okay, I got it. So it was run, and what we need to do first, we need to create our files, translation ts, and these two files, example root.ts and english.ts. How we're gonna do this? It's pretty much simple. We use this line of code and we put it here, and we change it to our language. First language would be English, and like this, press enter. It's created first one, and second one will be Russian ts. Okay, now we have them both. And second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna translate, actually do real translation. And by this I mean we write PySide6 linguist and click enter. Actually, we can specify the file first, example .english. Okay. I don't know exactly how to go around that the app actually in English, but maybe we can go some kind of another way. If you know how, please tell me that we should not translate it, but I will show you the process anyway here. Okay, let's do so. First, I will manage this one like this. First, we specify here translations. In our case, we just copy paste here and we click ready, go next, file, not just copy paste, file, go next, Qt, next, this one, next, language, next, English, next, Russian, and help, next, about Qt, next. You know, I just click on the option and Control C and pressing Control C to copy. Okay, we copy it and put, oh, I forget this one, and final one. It will be like this, but we also, I would love specify like this, selected one language, and here plural like this, and we're ready to go. And now you see everything is checked, and we just click save, and that's it. We close this one and let's check it out. Well, yeah, there is source and there is translation. Don't mind these red lines because interpreter thinks that it's TypeScript file, but it's not eventually. So let's do next file, this one. We go like with this, but rule. Example. Yep. It will be a little bit longer, but if you don't like to watch, you just you know, go to the next part. Alright. First choose language, and we're going to put it here. Choose language in Russian. It would be, what's one? I see what's wrong. Okay, Russian. Here we go. I forgot Russian. Sorry about that. So выбрать язык. Go next. File. File. Wait. Okay. Here. Actually, it's my first recording video. I'm sorry about if something is wrong. Remember this. This is this one. This we just copy it. Just copy and paste. Here we put язык. Okay, what's here? Okay, and here we put английский. Okay, and next is русский. Next is помощь. Помощь. I hope I write it correctly. Помощь. Так, next. Just copy it here and write something. Or no, always much better. And next, it is language switch example. We can write something like пример переключения языка. Переключение. I hope I wrote it without mistakes. Next, and this is we select language. Here we go. So I need to copy this. язык. And next выбрано два языка выбрано. And next copy paste. So yep, here we go. Alright, we finish our Russian one. At least, so save. And here we go. So now we have two files. And now we can compile our linguist file. So what we do? English. First, we need to compile linguist file, we need to create our example QM file. How to do so? We go here and write this command. PySide whatever. So here and specify first English one, example English, and QM, example English, QM. Here we go. Up, we have it. Now second one. Second one is we go with Russian one. QN and Russian one, example Russian QN. So yep, like this. We have now two of them. Now we can compile our reqrc file. So okay, I'll clean it. And now we type 6 and RCC, and we go with our linguist file and QRCC, and let's change. It's already there, but we'll try again. Output is linguist rc dot py. Yep, I think that's it. Now we have our linguist py here. Oh, maybe that first one, it was when I created, I guess, yeah, when I tried to create it the first time. Okay, now we have our file, and we have, I guess, everything we need for this. And we go to our application actually. We import our linguist. And now first I want to check if it works. And we'll see. Okay, Python main. Okay, we have here two options. We choose Russian. Yep, this is working. I see, this is good. It's now in Russian. And we in English, switching to English. It's now in English. So, as you see, how you can manage it. Pretty much simple, and you creating files you need. You specify them in your linguist QRCC, and after you okay. I'm lost, sorry. Let's go again. So first you create your linguist QRC, where you specify your QM. Then you create these files, example TS, and then you translate it to QM file. After that, you compile your linguist RC file and you connect it to your application. Here, import it. Okay, let's see the code just a little bit. Well, we create simple window instead of QMain window, and here we create our AP translator instance. After that, we set language, current language. We choose it English default language. Okay, then we initiate our UI. We set window title using translate and choose language. Yep. And after that, we go next. So you add in some list widget, and we add in items to that, like C++, Java, Python. And we use rebuild menu. What's that mean? We clean everything what was before, create a new file, new menu, and going with that. After that, we add in language menu, and we connect switching. We actually create trigger will actually connect to the trigger option, and so we change language. Here's the same kind of, and so how we change the language? We check language code. If it equal current, if it's equal, we skip it. We remove current translator, then we go to the new translator, and we're creating it. Then we set up current language to language we choose here. You see. Then we rebuild our menus and rebuild our UI. So, yep, here we go. We set the title and status bar, we clear our messages. And then we do counting our rows and in our model, and yeah, we're setting the language here, how many languages we selected. Alright, so that's it. We run the app. It's pretty much simple, I would say, and but it took a while to me to figure out how it works. Unfortunately for me, maybe you would be much you would be lucky to be much faster to figure out. And so yep, now if you create your app, you can translate it in any language you wish. You see your window, and so yeah, just go. All right, let's finish this tutorial. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.